and welcome to Gyan Gatha. There are many devotees of Lord Hanuman all over the world. One of his much revered forms is the powerful Panchmukhi Hanuman. 5 faces staring in different directions, often holding the spectator in awe. Let's know about this magnificent form of Lord Hanuman in today's episode of Gyan Gatha. The Panchmukhi Hanuman or the Panchmukhi Anjaneya is believed to be one of his gigantic forms and is very popular among the devotees. Each face belongs to different god. Let us first see the story behind this avatar of Lord Hanuman. During the Ramayana war, a losing Ravana summoned one of his brothers, Ahiravana, who was the chief of Patal Lok or netherworld. Disguising himself as Vibhishan, Ahiravan threw Hanuman off guard and kidnapped Lord Ram and Lakshman. When Lord Hanuman went to Patal Lok, he learned that Ahiravan had a boon from Lord Brahma that his soul rested in 5 lamps. The only way to destroy him was to extinguish all 5 lamps at the same time. And that is when Lord Hanuman manifested his Panchmukhi Roop, each form facing a different direction. Together, they blew out the lamps and brought back the still unconscious Lord Rama and Lakshmana to Lanka. Thus, the worshipper of the Panchmukhi Hanuman form is liberated from different types of fears, negativity, and enemies. Lord Hanuman is often referred to as a yogi. He is believed to have reached perfection in his siddhis and has gained control over his 5 senses, which are also known as Panch Indriyas. It is said that Hanuman worshipped Lord Rama in 5 ways. First one was Naman, which means taking the name of the Lord. Second, Smaran, which means constant remembrance. Third is Kirtanam, which means singing praises and adulations. Fourth is Yachanam, which means sincere, selfless plea for deeper faith. And fifth is Arpanam, which means offering oneself or surrender. This is also the path to worshipping the Panchmukhi Hanuman. Now let's know the meaning of the 5 faces of Panchmukhi Hanuman. The first one is Lord Hanuman. He faces eastwards with steadfast devotion. Worshipping Lord Hanuman helps one to get rid of one's sins and bestows peace, purity, happiness, and fulfillment. The second one is Lord Narsimha. One of many avatars of Lord Vishnu, this lion form is south facing. Lord Vishnu took this form to protect his devotee Prahlad. Worshipping Narsimha removes fear. Fearlessness and victory are the blessings showered on the devotee. The third form is Lord Garuda. Facing west, the Garuda or eagle is part of the Panchmukhi Hanuman manifestation. He offers protection from negative influences, black magic, and evil spirits. The fourth one is Lord Adivaraha. The boar is another manifestation and is believed to remove the bad effects of planetary movements. Facing the north, Varaha bestows wealth and prosperity. The fifth one is Lord Hayagriva. This is the form of the horse which faces upward, blessing everyone with knowledge, progeny, and liberation. The Panchmukhi Hanuman is magnificent and awe-inspiring. This form arose at the time in Patal Lok when Vayuputra Hanuman was charged with the responsibility of saving Lord Rama's life. Little wonder that this form is endowed with many weapons like the Parshu, which means battle axe, Chakra, which means disc, Gada, which means mace, Trishul means trident, and Khanda means sword. One of the famous prayers to Panchmukhi Hanuman is the Panchmukhi Stotra. It praises each of the 5 manifestations, eradicating evil and negative forces for the devotee. The Panchmukhi Hanuman Kavach is also widely heard and meditated upon. It is believed to protect the devotee from every obstacle of life. That's all we have in today's episode. We will come up with another interesting topic very soon. Stay connected with us on Gyan Gatha. Thank you.